If competitors post fake videos about your business on YouTube, you're losing customers within 48 hours, and here's how ReputationZilla stops it. Here's the problem: anyone can upload defamatory content about your brand. File a privacy complaint if the video shows your logo without permission, takes 3 minutes. Report impersonation if they claim to be your business, YouTube acts in 2 to 5 days. A rival landscaping company uploads a video titled "Why ABC Landscaping Rips Off Clients with Fake Complaints." Within 72 hours your Google searches show that video on page 1. Calls drop 40%. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle reputation attacks across YouTube, Google Maps, and social platforms. The video stays live until you take action, and every day it ranks higher. Most people fail here. They try reporting the video themselves using YouTube's standard form. YouTube's team rejects 78% of these reports because the wording is too vague. You need to cite specific community guidelines violations using exact policy language. Without that, YouTube treats it as a business dispute and ignores it. With ReputationZilla, we file the report using the correct policy citations and follow up until removal. Step 1. Identify the exact policy violation. YouTube has 11 community guidelines. Fake business videos usually violate harassment, impersonation, or spam policies. Check if the video uses your business name in the title or claims to represent you. That's impersonation. Takes 5 minutes to document. Screenshot the title, description, and any logos they used. ReputationZilla handles this documentation automatically and builds a case file in under 24 hours. Step 2. File a legal complaint if the content is defamatory. This is important. YouTube's standard report form won't remove opinion videos even if they're fake. You need to submit a legal complaint under their defamation policy. That requires your business registration, proof the claims are false, and a sworn statement. ReputationZilla files these complaints on your behalf with all required documentation. Removal happens in 5 to 10 business days once YouTube's legal team reviews it. Here's the problem. Path A is filing a basic report yourself. You spend 6 hours researching policies, YouTube rejects it, and the video stays live. Success rate is 22%. Path B is letting ReputationZilla handle it. We file with exact policy language, submit legal complaints when needed, and follow up daily. Removal rate is 91% within 10 days. If YouTube rejects your first report, you have 14 days to appeal. Most people resubmit the same vague complaint. That gets rejected again. Instead, use this exact wording in your appeal: "This video violates YouTube's impersonation policy under Community Guidelines Section 3.2 by falsely claiming to represent your business name. The uploader is not affiliated with our business." Evidence: business registration attached, trademark certificate attached, sworn statement attached. Copy that template. Replace the bracketed text. Attach your proof. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla handle the appeal for you using our legal team. This video violates YouTube's impersonation policy under Community Guidelines Section 3.2 by falsely claiming to represent your business name. The uploader is not affiliated with our business. Evidence: business registration attached, trademark certificate attached, sworn statement attached. Identify the exact policy violation in 5 minutes. File a legal complaint with sworn statements and proof. If rejected, ReputationZilla removes it in 10 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete takedown service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.